Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be a real short one. It's about previous days. In a video that I made about the 8,000 hour boost coming up in 2027 to get into the YouTube Partner Program in full monetization, that I mentioned 2 or 3 times previous days. I also said that I explained at the end of the video what that meant, and I never did, and I'm apologizing for that. But let's go into the previous days. Every single day, today, tomorrow, the next day, is January 1st. Every single day, every new day is a new period of time, and it counts backwards from today. So today is whatever day that is. Today, tomorrow, the next day, every single one of them is day one. YouTube counts backwards 365 days. They don't care about leap year or anything like that. It's 365 days. The month doesn't matter. The day of the month doesn't matter. None of that matters. It's from today, whatever day that is, which is today, back 365 days. That is the period of time in which we have to maintain or acquire the requirement that's being discussed. Whether it's 3 uploads in the previous 90 days, they look from today and they look backwards 90 days. If you didn't meet the 3 uploads, there might be something you have to do to take corrective action on that, and I would do so quickly. The same thing is for the watch hours. We can't really control our watch hours other than participating, getting videos out and everything else, and hoping that the algorithm helps us in getting people to watch our videos. And hopefully our videos are good enough that people will want to watch them. So that's the issue. But for tier 1 right now, it's 3,000 watch hours in the previous 365 days. Starting from today, counting backwards, 365 days. If we've acquired the 3,000 hours of watch time and any other or all other requirements, part of it, we can be part of the YouTube Partner Program in tier 1 called fan funding. All right. So that's what the previous days is. Every single day is day 1, no matter what day that is. 10 days from now, 10 days in the back, that was day 1. But every new day that we are in, the present day that we are in, whatever it is, that's day 1, and they look backwards 90 days, 365 days, whatever the time frame is for that particular thing. All right. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, make the comment below. Let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.